So you are welcome again. Today we are going to look at something very important, that is to do with inserting and deleting rows and columns in Excel. So to insert a new column to the left of any existing column, select the column to the right of where you want to put or to insert a new column, then right click on it. So for example, I want to insert a new column to the left of this. Now I will select that, then I click on it, select the option column, and then go to table columns to the left, click on that. Now a new column will be inserted. To insert another column, right click on that, select from the option insert, then follow the arrow and select table columns to the left. A new column will be inserted. So to insert a new row above an existing row, please select the row below where you want, and then right click and select insert from the menu that appears. So in this case, I'm going to select one of the column, then I right click, I go to insert. I will select now. After selecting insert, a new row will be inserted. If I want another rows, right click on the row that you want to insert a row above, right click on it, select insert, and a new row will be inserted. Now in this case, what you do after achieving all that, you can now go ahead and perform another important thing, which is deleting, because we believe that in Microsoft Excel sometimes you may need to delete unwanted data, and now to achieve that, to delete any column, you have to select the column, then right click and select delete. So in this case, I'm going to delete all the columns that I've just inserted. So I'm going to select one of these columns that I've just inserted. After that, I will right click on it and then select delete table columns. Now the column will be deleted. Right click on the other one, select delete, and select table columns. The column will be deleted. Likewise, to delete a row, select the row and then right click and select delete from the menu that appears. So I'm going to select this row, I right click, and then I'll choose delete, and then the row will be deleted. Likewise, I want to delete this, right click, choose delete from the option that appears on the dialog window, select delete, and then it will be deleted. Do the same on that, click delete, and there it's done. Do the same on that, and then there it's done. If I want to delete the headers of this table, right click on it and select delete. Why is it inactive? Because you cannot delete what? You cannot delete the header of a table, but you can delete the one of the contents within the headers. Like I can delete this the first values in this table. I can delete that. I can also go ahead and delete that, but I cannot delete the headers because these are like the identifiers or the unique features that identifies, or these are the unique features which help to identify all these other attributes. So in this case, we have learned how to insert, we have learned how to delete columns and rows, and then insert columns and rows. So I would encourage you to go and practice so that you can see how you can apply them in your daily life work, and I know it will be very helpful. So for the next thing, let's follow up in the next video for other important things and technologies and terminologies in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.